Introduction to CapCut Templates for Instagram Reels.
Want to create eye-catching Instagram Reels without editing from scratch? CapCut offers pre-made templates you can use directly on your phone. These templates make it simple to craft professional-looking videos, even if you're new to video editing. Follow along to learn how to find, edit, and share your own Instagram Reels using CapCut templates.
Getting the CapCut app.
First, download and install the CapCut app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. CapCut is free to use and works on most smartphones. Once installed, open the app and grant any necessary permissions, such as access to your photos and videos, so you can create and edit content smoothly.
Exploring and choosing CapCut templates.
Inside CapCut, tap on the Templates tab at the bottom of your screen. Browse the available templates or use the search bar to find one that fits your style or topic. Many templates show examples, so you can see how your video might look before you start editing.
Customizing your reel with CapCut.
After choosing a template, tap Use Template. Select your own photos or video clips from your phone's gallery to replace the placeholders in the template. CapCut automatically fits your media into the chosen style. You can also adjust text, music, or effects before finishing your video.
Exporting and posting Reels to Instagram.
When you're satisfied with your edited reel, tap Export. Wait for CapCut to process your video. Once complete, choose Share to Instagram and select Reels. Add a caption, hashtags, and edit the cover image if you like. Finally, share your engaging new reel with the world.
Tips for creating standout Instagram Reels.
To make your reels more engaging, try to choose templates that match trending music or themes. Add personal touches with unique photos or text. Posting consistently and using relevant hashtags can help increase your reach and views. Experiment with different templates to find what works best for your audience.